Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I'm going to be doing a ladybug theme. I went through my stash and I found some stickers. There's EK Success stickers, and these are some flat stickers, but they do have a little bit of glitter on them. And then this set is little puffy ladybugs, and then I have this sheet that I've had in my stash for a while, and it is Paper Patch brand, and that's all I had in my stash, but it is a cut apart, so it has corners and this like border strips and frames. So I'm going to cut that apart. I also pulled a couple washi tapes that I had in my stash. I didn't have any red polka dot, which would have been ideal, but I have a black and white polka dot and this chevron black and white. And then I will probably use some of my red little stickers here from my Mambi pad. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final spread. I think it turned out really cute, and it was just an easy spread with a little bit of washi tape. I cut up the border strips from that cut apart page and just made some full boxes there, and then this was the frame that I just cut the center out that had the lines in it. So yeah, it's really cute. I love ladybugs, and I was excited to do this spread. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.